Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I have a little bit of a different video to share with you, and it's gonna be a haul from the Greetery. I actually discovered them, I think this year, in the beginning of this year, or maybe it was like for Christmas, their Christmas collection or their Monomore collection. And I instantly fell in love with their products. I love how they take something like the capsules basics and they continue to build upon all of that, creating new products. So I knew that I definitely had to order from them. I knew that she was probably gonna come up with a new collection, so I waited and waited until she finally came out with this new one, and I absolutely love papel picado, which is what she used as an inspiration for this one. So let's get started. And plus she gave us a really good discount code for the first 2 days, which of course I had to take advantage of that. And really nice reusable package with this bag. So I'm sorry for all the noise that it's doing. Wow, okay, it's a bit tough. Okay, there we go. And I guess this is just, yeah, the package slip with, everything I ordered in here. Okay, perfect. So I got the pretty picado sentiments. I love this one. I don't have anything on my stash that is about like wedding day or Mother's Day, graduation day, anniversary, saying a prayer. So I thought this one was a really nice one. Plus I really like the font on this larger letters. And then I got both of the dies, the one that is just stamp it and you cut it, and then I also got the one that is just going to cut the word. And I'm gonna try to put some pictures in here on the video so you can see how it's going to look. In the beginning I was like, no, I really don't need those dies with the sentiment, it's just gonna look so good. But then I started to look at all the examples that she did, and I was like, no, yeah, I can really see myself using this in different ways. And they weren't expensive, they were like $6 I think, and I was able, because of everything that I bought, I was able to get the 20% off, which it made them like $4 each. So how I was gonna pass that? Not a chance. So I got those. And then, oh my god, yes, so once I discovered the Greetery, I started looking at the whole website, and I saw this one. I was like, oh, they're gorgeous. I absolutely love this thing. They're called the Sweetest Frames, the capsule edition, and you can use this for so many things. And of course I had to get the dies, right, that coordinate with this. I am so excited to play with this and to show you what I create, and hopefully I can inspire you as well. Okay, moving on. Ooh, this is nice. I didn't know I was gonna get a little, freebie in here, which is one of the, she has a bunch of like this houses or buildings, and she came out with like the Monomore collection, and there's different sentiments and banners and things like that. The Christmas collection that you can just continue to add and more. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Oh, that's so nice. This is so cute. Okay, Oh my god, and then I saw this one as well. Let me see, it's not, let me see. Oh, this one. So I also got the capsule basics because I wanted to, you know, cut all like different shapes, which I think, yes. On this one, for example, right, I also got the Pretty Picado 3D embossing folders. If you watch my latest video, I shared with you that I love embossing folders, and this is stunning. So I knew that I needed to get the die in order to cut either the inner portion or the outer portion. Plus this scallop edge, oh, so adorable. So yeah, I got those two. And then I think, yes, here it is. So these ones were from another, yes, they were released on March 2025. I don't remember the collection, but she has, I think, 3 of the beauty botanicals. They're just, you know, different types of flowers. This is how it looks like. Look how gorgeous is that. And of course the die in order to cut every single one of them, right? So it coordinates. So I got those two. And then of course, this is, I feel like this was the star of the show, the Pretty Picado die that it's going to coordinate with the embossing folder. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this one, it's also, okay, so it was released on the same March 25th, and I just don't recall the name of the collection, but it's the diamond ribbons. And in the beginning I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna get the die, right? I can see myself using it in many different ways, and then I was like, no, I really need to get this stencil as well. It's just gonna look, it's just gonna give different looks, or I can even, you know, use it on top of this and just give different, give me different options. But yes, the diamond ribbons, and then the Pretty Picado stencil. Of course you have to get this one if you're getting the embossing folder and the die. Like, I feel like it's a must. That way you're able to give, let's open this one so you're able to see it. There's several layers in here. There we go. So there's 4 stencils, and that way you're able to build this beautiful papel picado. Oh, I can already imagine. I'm so excited. But yeah, 4 different ones. Okay, I'll do that later. And then this one was part of the new release in May of this year, and this is called the Capsule Party Scene. And this one, you will be able to use it with this one, the Capsule Basics. I don't actually know exactly which one, but one of these, and you're able to put it inside, and it's so versatile that, I mean, it doesn't have to be for a party, right? I mean, it could be, I don't know, a baby shower, a bridal shower, a wedding. This one, it could be for graduation as well. This is how it looks like on the back, and all that scallop edge is created with this one. Yeah, shown with the capsule basics die. So this is really one that it's a must in your collection if you are planning to get options in dies and saps, and why not from the Greetery. So I'm excited about this one too. And finally, but not least, I got the floral borders from the capsule collection. These ones, they were released in August of last year. And she also has several of these ones. I do recall seeing one from like Thanksgiving, and then there's one for the Mon Amour collection. And I'm pretty sure she also has one for Christmas. But I felt like this one was more like general for a lot of things because it's just flowers and foliage. And then, you know, happy day, celebrate, with gratitude, for you, with love, thanks so much. So very like general. And this is how it looks. You can do different flowers, you know, and it's gonna coordinate. You can cut it with, once again, the capsule basics. And there you have it. This is my, I think, pretty large haul from the Greetery. And I cannot wait to play with all of these things and show you what I can come up with. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you until next time. Bye bye.